The Murtala Ramat Muhammad Library, Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, MAAUN, had on Wednesday organized a one-day workshop on project writing as part of its strategies to enhance academic excellence among students. The seminar, which was held at the Professor Abubakar Rasheed Twin Lecture Theatre, aimed to expose students to the fundamentals of academic writing while at the same time equipping them with the skills needed to produce high-quality academic research. During the event, 4 distinguished resource persons with vast knowledge and experience in their various fields made presentations during the session. The facilitators include Dr. Kabiru Muhammad Sahabi from Kaduna State University, KASU, Dr. Adamu from Yusuf Maitama Sule University, Kano, Aisha Muhammad Hassan from Federal Polytechnic, Bauchi, and Abubakar Abubakar from Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, MAAUN. Explaining the purpose of the program, the MAAUN Acting Chief Librarian Malam Zubairu Bello said that the seminar was designed to guide students through some key components of project writing. He highlighted areas to be treated to include literature mapping, plagiarism awareness, grammar checking, print and digital information retrieval, research record management, proper citation and reference management software tools. The event, which was divided into 2 sessions, with the morning session dedicated to the School of Nursing and Health Sciences, while the afternoon focused on School of Computing and School of Social and Management Sciences. In each session, participants were first introduced to essential concepts, where presenters shared their insights and best practices on project writing. Earlier, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, acknowledged the importance of project writing and urged students to utilize the skills acquired to enhance their project writing. Highlights of the workshop including practicals as well as question and answer sessions, where students engaged the resource persons by asking pertinent questions while gaining valuable insights on various aspects of academic writing. In his closing remarks, Engineer Bashir Garba, the head of International Office, thanked the facilitators for their invaluable contributions and the organizers for their commitment to ensuring the success of the program. He praised the quality of the workshop and emphasized its significance in equipping students with essential skills for their academic and professional journeys.